Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready? Ready. So let's go ahead and start with Calipatria Lions Club.
Roar, roar.
And the past president is Lion William Cooper. Followed by Champagne Village, carrying the flag is Lion Rodney. And the president of Chula Vista Visionary, Lion Noe Canatang. Imperial Lions Club president and region chair, Larry Hudson. La Mesa Lions Club president, PCC John Barsanti. Oceanside Sea Lions president, Lion Bell Limoges.
How far? I need Majestic.
Ramona Lions Club president, Damien White.
You're good.
Whatever.
Right here. Right here.
San Diego Forever Lions Club president, John Ramirez and wife Jocelyn Ramirez.
Stop kasi hindi nakikita.
San Diego Dynamic president, Tess Reyes.
We're falling.
San Diego Executive Lions Club, Lion Helen Cantabilla.
There you go.
And husband Medes. San Diego Majestic president, Nick Bustria.
Hindi ko na tumigil.
San Diego North Park, Lion Juan Wing. San Diego Renaissance president, Selena Hines. San Diego Roaring Lions Club president, Erlinda Mascardo.
Tinatakpan mo yung
San
banner.
Diego Stars president, Larry. San Diego United president, Lion Donna Lee. San Diego North County president, PDG John Reese. And our district governor home club banner, be carried by Lion